What's going on, guys? Here we got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Show you guys how to take off this flare. Okay. The best way how to take off this flare is two ways to do it. It's two ways. You guys could go ahead and break off those rivets, all of them. Go ahead and knock off those rivets, or drill them out. It's up to you, and hold the flare and pull it. Next way to do it, gotta take these screws out. Guys, see that screw? Take that screw out. That's one right there. Another one over here. There's the next one right here. Take that one out. It's another one. And there's, you're gonna take that clip out of there. That big ass clip. Take that clip out. And there's a screw that's up inside this hole right here. See this hole? There's a screw up inside there. Take that screw out. And then you're gonna take that screw out. The next one up there. Take that screw out. Then you're gonna hold this flare. You're gonna hold it and snatch it off with it, because all around here there's clips that push into the fender. So just hold it and snatch it off. You stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to do it. Guys, when you guys go to take off this flare, it's also a hidden screw up underneath here. All you gotta do is push this back, and the hidden screw is right there. It's hidden, you can't see it. All you gotta do is push this back, and it's right there, which it goes right here up underneath. Take it out, and it comes off.